Definition: Juvenile delinquency is the illegal or antisocial behavior committed by individuals under the age of 18. Focus: rehabilitation over punishment. Origin: emerged in the 19th century during industrialization to differentiate between adult and child offenders. India's approach, governed by the Juvenile Justice Act, 2000, amended in 2015, focusing on counseling, education, and rehabilitation. What is juvenile delinquency? A violation of the law by individuals under 18, which would be considered a crime if done by an adult. What is the primary focus of juvenile justice systems? The focus is on rehabilitating young offenders rather than punishing them. How did the concept of juvenile delinquency originate? It originated in the 19th century due to concerns about youth crime during industrialization, leading to the establishment of juvenile courts. How is juvenile delinquency addressed in India? Through the Juvenile Justice Act, 2000, amended in 2015, which emphasizes reformative measures like counseling and rehabilitation. What are the key categories under the Juvenile Justice Act in India? It distinguishes between children in conflict with the law and children in need of care and protection. Brief. Meaning: juvenile delinquency refers to illegal or antisocial acts committed by juveniles. Age group: individuals under 18 years. Legal approach: emphasis on reform and rehabilitation rather than punishment. Origin: concept arose in the 19th century during industrialization. First juvenile court, established in Illinois, USA, in 1899. India's legislation. The Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children, Act, 2000, amended in 2015. Focus on counseling, education, and rehabilitation. Divides juveniles into two categories. 1. Children in conflict with the law. 2. Children in need of care and protection. Rehabilitation and reintegration emphasizes rehabilitation and social reintegration for juveniles in conflict with the law, preserving dignity and offering future opportunities. Right to education and welfare ensures access to free, compulsory education, health care, and proper living conditions for the holistic development of children. Protection from exploitation safeguards children from abuse, exploitation, child labor, and trafficking. Participation and expression grants children the right to freely express their opinions and participate in decision-making processes that affect them, based on their age and maturity. Right to life, survival, and development ensures that every child has the right to life, survival, and overall development, with states obligated to protect and support these rights.
Chapter 3. Constitutional Safeguards under Article 14, 20 and 21. Article 14, Right to Equality, ensures that every child and juvenile is treated equally before the law, without any discrimination based on gender, caste, religion, or socio-economic status. It mandates equal protection for all, including those in conflict with the law. Article 20, Protection in respect of conviction for offences, safeguards juveniles from double jeopardy, being tried twice for the same offence, and ex post facto laws, being convicted under a law that was not in effect when the act was committed. It ensures legal protection and fair trial rights. Article 21, Right to Life and Personal Liberty, guarantees the right to life, dignity, and personal liberty, which includes protection for children and juveniles. It underpins the right to legal aid, fair treatment, and rehabilitation for juveniles in the justice system. Special Status of Child under Indian Constitution, Article 15(3), 24, 45, 21A. The special status of children under the Indian Constitution, arranged in ascending order by Article Number. Article 15(3), Protective Discrimination, allows the state to make special provisions for children and women, enabling the government to prioritize their welfare and protection. Article 21A, Right to Education, guarantees free and compulsory education for all children between the ages of 6 and 14 as a fundamental right, promoting equal access to basic education. Article 24, Prohibition of child labor, prohibits the employment of children below 14 years in hazardous jobs, protecting them from exploitation and ensuring safety. Article 45, Provision for Early Childhood Care and Education, directs the state to provide early childhood care and free education to children up to the age of 6, fostering their development in early years. Unit B Topic 1, Children and Criminal Liability under IPC. Here are 5 key points regarding child offenders under the Indian Penal Code, IPC, including relevant sections. Age of criminal responsibility. Section 82 IPC. Children below the age of 7 years are considered incapable of committing a crime, as they are presumed to lack the maturity to understand the nature of their actions. This is called the absolute immunity principle. Limited liability. Section 83 IPC. Children between the ages of 7 and 12 years can be held criminally responsible only if they have sufficient maturity to understand the consequences of their actions. This provision acknowledges the gradual development of children's judgment. Juvenile Justice Act over IPC. For children under the age of 18, the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act, 2015 takes precedence over the IPC. It emphasizes rehabilitation and reform rather than punishment, shifting the focus from criminal liability to social reintegration. Protection of Children from Sexual Offenses, POSO Act, 2012, 9 chapters and 46 sections.